Do you want to make your Facebook followers public? So don't worry, you are on the right place, because in this video I am just going to tell you that how you can easily make your Facebook followers public. So make sure to watch the full video to don't make any mistake, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just go to the menu. After that, click on settings and privacy, and then just click on settings, and then here you can see the option of search. Just click on it and search follow, and down below you can see the option of followers and public content. So here you can see the drop down option. Just click on it. If you want to just public, click on the public, and if you want to just click on only me, just click on see more and click on only me, so it will make your followers private. So that is how you can easily make your followers private or public. So thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.